Hey guys, hi, Akash Sharma here. I hope you guys are doing well. And first of all, thank you for purchasing our indicator and trusting us. Uh, Today we'll discuss how you can apply indicator on the chart from fresh if you are a new user, and if you are a trading view, you already shared the trading view username. Based on that, we have provided you the access. So how you can avail the access? So first of all, first we need to go to the your chart section or in the trading view, right? And remove whatever indicator you applied on the chart. Let's say example, you applied super trend, any of the indicator, ADX, RSI, stochastic, RSI, whatever you applied, just remove that indicator. First of all, just go to the indicator, click on the indicator, and click the delete option. Right. Once you delete, the indicator will be removed. Again, once you click on this delete option, another indicator, supporting indicator, will be also removed. Okay, by removing indicator, make sure you clear your chart, right? It is very mandatory to clear your chart, then and then only you can apply our indicator. Okay, so how you can apply the indicator? After giving access, you need to go to the indicator section. You will find one option, invite only, after the access, right? In that you will find total three indicators for Ravan 2.0 screener. Okay, so first is Ravan 2.0 screener, right? Next is TGADX 2.0. These two indicators access you will be having on the invite only section. Okay, and the third indicator is of Ravan alerts, right? Alert indicator I already created. You will get in next upcoming video in the playlist. Okay, so this is the indicator layout which is you will be getting on the chart. It's not like you have to just follow the buy sell signals. I do mention earlier that we do have conditions to follow an entry and exit in the specific market. Okay, so what conditions we have, we will be discussed in this video. There are total four conditions we need to follow. First condition we have is, I'm just unchecking this normal. First condition we have is DI plus and DI minus. DI plus indicates positive directional index, that indicates the bullish momentum, and DI minus indicate the bearish momentum. Okay, so I have just click on this DI plus DI minus. You can see the confirmations trade of DI plus DI minus. On this specific trade, DI minus has confirmed, right? On this specific trade, DI minus has confirmed. On this specific trades, DI minus has confirmed. You can see guys, this is the this specific trade, DI minus has confirmed, right? So next, what is we have, my condition is RSI. RSI is also a good tool to confirm the specific trend. Once I click on RSI, the RSI condition which we have is, if RSI is above 60, we will be getting confirmations. Confirmation will be show up like yellow arrow. You can see here, I have just check mark on RSI. The arrow has been presented over here. So what it means, in this specific trade, the DI plus DA minus blue color is confirmed signal, as well as in this specific trade we do have the RSI confirmation. Guys, it's simple check mark. You are getting this confirmation highlighted on the chart, right? You can see here in this condition, RSI arrow is confirmed, but in this specific trade, DI plus DA minus has not confirmed. We'll be discussing why not confirm and when we have to make specific entry in this specific trades. We'll be discussing in this video. Don't worry. Okay, so these two you can see, these are our two main conditions. What is our third condition? Third condition, whenever you get this signal and DA plus DA minus confirmation is there, look for the next confirmation, that is 50 EMA. This is yellow line is 50 EMA. So the candle should be closed below 50 EMA for short. Candle should be closed above 50 EMA for long. Okay, this is our third condition. What is our fourth condition? This is the multi time frame table. You can see from 1 minute to 1 month data it's showing, and it's showing data based on 21 EMA. Okay, so 21 EMA data shows that market momentum is bearish rather than bullish. Okay, so you can see the specific trend, right? Let me show you by reversing the specific trade. Okay, by setting the replay option. So I'm just setting it over here. Once the signal came, what was the conditions showing on the chart? What was the momentum on the chart? Yes, you can see the short signal came DI plus DI minus and 50 MA confirmation is there. And here you are getting the bearish momentum activated, right? You can see here once the bearish momentum started, right? The signals value will be getting change over here. You can see, guys. Okay, so it's 1 minute time frame. So for 1 minute time frame, we look for minimum 50% also. It will work for 1 minute time frame, right? But if you're working on 5 minute, 15 minute time frame, we will look for minimum 70% bearish for this specific trade, right? You can see here the sell signal has occurred. Uske baad we have for achieved our first target. This is the second target. See these, yeah, green lines indicate, green dotted lines, horizontal lines that indicate the resistance, sorry, support part, and above red lines indicate the resistance part. You can see, guys, right? So whenever you go for a short signal, you can book your profit on the support zones. Once support is break, the support become the resistance. You also aware of that. Okay, and based on support resistance you can book your profit. If you do not want to use this support resistance, we do have kept other two options. Let me show you up. That is show pivot points, and another is show Fibonacci retracement. So once you check mark the show pivot points, the pivot points value will be plotted on the chart. You can update it values also in the indicator settings, but default values will be plotted on the chart for the pivot points. If you want to use Fibonacci retracement, once you click on Fibonacci retracement, the retracement will be data will be almost published on the chart. You can see this is the retracement level which is already published on the chart. How many levels we have achieved, you can see from the first. We have entered over here. This this is the second, and almost third. We have means reached to the support zone, right? Till support zone we have stretch our trade. Okay, so these are your profit booking zone. So it's optional to use Fibonacci retracement pivot points. It depends on you which support resistance you want to use. Based on that you can customize your indicator. So this is our main four conditions, right? Look for DI plus DI minus confirmation, RSI confirmation, 50 MA breakout, and fourth is multi time frame table should show minimum 70% bearish for sell and bullish for buy, right? Now let's take this example. Here we got a confirmation of RSI, but at the same duration we do not get confirmation of DI plus DI minus. Why? Let's understand it. I'm just taking this bar and setting it over here. Okay, so it's a bullish trade, right? You can see RSI is also break, DI plus DI minus is also break, and ADX is below 20. Fine, no worries. You can see here the chart shows minimum 70% bullish. We are working on 1 minute time frame, so multi time frame, bigger time frame shows bullish. That it means market has positive trend. So I'm just playing this indicator and showing you why in this specific trade DI plus DI condition didn't match. Okay, now I'm just pausing you. So whenever you got this signal, right, you can see on this candle you got a signal, and next candle the RSI went below 60, right? So what in this case what you have to do, whenever you get a signal, please plot an horizontal line. If you have a dilemma whether this condition will work or not, please plot this horizontal line, and once it break the horizontal line and make give you the confirmation, you can enter in a specific trade. You can see how it moves. Guys, this was the first resistance that became support, right? And it's still moving, still moving. This is the this what this purple line shows. This is overbought zone, guys. Yeah, I think the purple line, this indicates the overbought zone, right? Now the trend has changed. Mostly you can see the white candles. Once you refer the white candles, you can book your mostly partial profit or full profit, right? That indicates, you can see even here, RSI 60/40 zone indicates you the white candles, right? You are confirming. Just many people having questions, sir, why this candle is showing white color, purple color or blue color. Then I hope this is understood for buy, this is understood for sell conditions, everything. In breakout also you can make the entry, but in at the breakout time all conditions should be matching. Okay, and it should be for bullish. Make sure to refer this multi time frame table, guys, right? It's 21 EMA data and it's very fast, so it give you early trend. Okay, so once you enter, it's good move for you. Okay, so what this white candle shows, white candles indicate this. You can see this blue, sky blue line, this is RSI line. Whenever the RSI is in between 60/40 zone, right, you can customize it data, but whenever it's in between 60/40 zone, gray zone, the candle color will be white. Whenever the values, RSI value is below 25, right, it indicates market is in oversold. You can see when we got alert for XRP USDT, sell go triggered for XRP. We will also discuss this alert part in the next upcoming video. So this is for mainly the our conditions what we follow for buy and sell. Okay, so I hope it's understood what I mean to say. For short, you can see the blue color that indicates you oversold zone. That is 25. For overbought, it's 75. You can see the overbought zone. After once the it become the lower low, you can book your profit accordingly. How many points you're capturing Bank Nifty? You enter over here and you stretch a trade till here. Normally 100 points. Okay. How many points you have captured in this sell signal? Right, let's see, almost 100 to 140, 150 points in between, till over here you can say 100 points till overbought, oversold zone. Okay, so this is the quality which I generally prefer. This is the conditions I generally follow, right? I do share the PDF file. Make sure you print it out, the PDF file, and follow the condition. Understand the logic behind the indicator, guys. Once you understand the logic, it will be very smooth going indicator for you. This indicator feature you will not get anywhere in the market with this detailed guidance, guys. Okay, so focus on this indicator, understand it well, and still if you have any confusion, I am here to guide you each and every step. Okay, so it doesn't mean that it work only on index, it works on all the markets which are, on the trading view. You can apply on commodity, forex, crypto, even stock options. Everywhere you can use this indicator, right? Even in international charts too. Okay, so I've just removed this replay option. It will indicator will reload. So I hope this condition is understood. So let's discuss the normal condition. Why I generally prefer the normal condition. Once I check mark this normal condition, you will see the normal signals will also coming on the chart. You can see too many signals, right? So in some cases, the good signal come in the range bound market. How we can confirm that? Right, on the basis of breakout, you can make your position for long. Right, you can see here you got a RSI confirmation, but didn't get DA plus DA minus confirmation. Here you get a DA plus DA minus confirmation, and you can see the big move. See, always ignore the signals, sell signals, short signals, which is above 50 EMA. Ignore that, right? And always ignore signals for buy, which is below 50 EMA. If you want to enter, it's a risky trade, but if you want to enter, book your profit till 50 EMA. Okay, you can see always market works accordingly. This is the noise. You can see the long signal. It comes in white candles, range bound market. Always ignore that signals. White candle signals, always ignore that signals, guys. You can see the short signals here. The 50 EMA confirmation we have for short, RSI confirmation we do have for the short. right? So this is the move. Always I prefer generally normal, because in some cases we get good signals in a normal mode only, right? I do not want to miss the opportunity, that's why use normal candles. But if you want the short signals, confirmation signals for DA plus DA minus only, you can check mark this. uh, this will also work. And if you want both confirmation together only, then only you want to enter the specific trade, suppose like this, you can just check mark the last option. It will remove the single confirmation, this it will automatically remove the single confirmation. And whenever the DI plus DI minus and RSI condition match, that only signals will be visible. You can see the sell signal. Let's go back here, the long signal, short signal. Let me reset. You can see the sell signal. Oh wow, awesome, awesome guys. You can see the quality of our indicator, right? So I hope it's understood. These are our conditions. Still you can use very multiple features if you want to customize these specific conditions. I've shown you four conditions, but if you want to customize, you can use additional features like in this supporting indicator, as it's discussed, STC indicator. We do have stochastic RSI confirmation, RSI divergence, MACD. If you want that, you can activate, use that confirmation also for your trade, right? Similar in the main indicator, there are lots of more than 16 plus features you are getting in this indicator, right? You can just activate and just use. Okay, Fibonacci retracement, pivot points, VWAP for additional confirmation. It's not mandatory to use all, checkmark all the features and use on the chart. It depends on case to case, right? You can see the CPR levels, right? Awesome indicator, guys. Whenever the narrow CPR breakout, you will get very, very good big moves. Okay, so I hope you like my strategy. If you're new to the video, please subscribe to my channel. Any confusion, feel free to talk. I will be here to guide you. This is my direct number in the scrolling text. You can find it. You can see the many features over here. Many features we already discussed in our main video. Okay, so it's optional. It's not mandatory. Main what condition I follow, that is four conditions. Whenever you follow, you get more than 85% accuracy level. Okay, fine. So it's understood. So this was our RS, means I can say condition strategy, my own strategy which I follow, and I hope you like it, sir. Okay, thank you. Thanks a lot.